Hello, I'm Dr. Hani Ashok. I'm a senior consultant ENT head and neck surgeon at Sakra Hospital and also at practice at Clinic Bell in Koromangalam. Many times we find that after eating or along the food, you find that you go into bouts of sneezing or there will be watering from the nose. This is usually due to an irritation in the stomach or in the food pipe. This is called a neurogenic reflux. So when there's acidity or the food is spicy or it causes irritation, there can be reflux, nasal congestion and irritation, which causes sneezing and watering.